lawyers, today is about the power of subscription-based services. In the ever-changing world of legal marketing, getting new clients and communicating regularly with your existing clients, all while keeping your practice thriving, is key. Subscription-based legal services might just be a game changer that you've been looking for. Here's why it's worth taking a second look. 1. Stable cash flow. With subscription services, you'll know exactly what's coming each month, giving you peace of mind and room to plan ahead. 2. Better connections. Regular check-ins mean that you'll get to know your potential clients, leading to stronger relationships and a deeper understanding of their cases. And 3, diversification. Subscription services are about building a steady stream of income that complements traditional one-off legal work. If you're ready to take your practice to the next level, let's chat. Reach out anytime.